In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bitbucket account. Bitbucket, as many of you may know, is a fantastic web-based platform that provides version control repository hosting services for source code and development projects. It's particularly useful for managing Git repositories and is widely used by developers around the world. Now, whether you're working solo on a project or collaborating with a team, having a Bitbucket account can be a major advantage. Let's dive right in and walk through the process of setting up your very own Bitbucket account from scratch. First things first, we need to kick off the sign-up process, and it's as easy as pie. Start by navigating to the Bitbucket homepage. You'll be greeted with a straightforward interface, and what you're looking for is the Sign Up for Free button. Clicking this button will lead you to the options for creating your account. Once you click that all-important button, you'll be offered a choice for how you'd like to sign up. Choices are always nice to have, right? You can either choose to sign up with your Google account, which is a convenient option, especially if you want to sync your Google services easily. Opting for this method is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is click Continue with Google. This will open a new window prompting you to sign in. Simply enter your Google account credentials to proceed. After entering your credentials, what follows is a permissions prompt. Bitbucket will request certain permissions to access basic profile details associated with your Google account. This step is crucial because it allows Bitbucket to personalize your user experience just a bit more. Don't worry though, you will have the chance to review these permissions carefully. If you're comfortable with everything presented, simply grant the permissions to move forward. This will complete the sign-up process via your Google account, ushering you straight into the Bitbucket interface. And there you have it. You're now the proud owner of a Bitbucket account, ready to start creating and managing repositories. It's important to remember that by taking these few simple steps, you're unlocking a tool that can greatly enhance your development workflow. Whether you're managing personal projects or collaborating in professional settings, having access to Bitbucket can streamline many aspects of your coding projects. With your new account, you're in a position to explore all the features Bitbucket has to offer. You can start by setting up a repository, inviting collaborators, or even exploring integrations with other Atlassian tools. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this walkthrough makes your Bitbucket journey smooth and productive. Don't forget, if you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tutorials aimed at making your tech life a bit simpler.